Mm. Hello sa 1 million viewers dyan. Thank you sa tatong patamsak. Yan, hello sa 2 million. Viewers dyan. Hello, mega shout out to Jiramil Galo. Salamat sa pagbisita. Don't forget to li- like. Ang tamsak si host. Good morning, Andoy Buholano from Jiramil Galo. Good morning to. Musta dita? Te, di ko sa. Di sa pod. Di ko sa. Di sa pod. Yan. Don't forget to tamsak si host. Asa man ko ani? Loading. Hello, supportive GF. Ayan, sabi ni Jamil Galo. Hello sa 2 million viewers dyan. Tamsakdan. Ayan, salamat. Wait lang, bibigyan kita ng jacket, Tita Dang. Hello sa 3 million viewers dyan. Iba sa pagdalaw. Tamsakdan, ninja ni Malupit. Ayan, sabi ni Malupit. Ayan, village fan yan, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my venue. Charot. Hello, guys. Hi, Arnel. Good morning. Shout out to Ate Ri- Thank you. Mega mega shout out to Rail Zayan. Mega shout out to you. Naka-edit ba? Naka-headset. Ihimo ra mang mic.
Lagi pwede.
Ihimo ra mic.
Lagi. Tanawa mo lang kami ng ganas sa
Di mo gana sa.
cellphone. Di ko doon.
Hindi ko duda.
Di ko doon. Pero buong hagad ka ko. Ilang
Way ligo pagod.
karon?
O pay ligo ba?
Tuling ko nag-live stream eh.
Hmm.
Ha? Nag-live stream. Kaya mo kapkat sa bundo.
Hmm.
Ang Higma! Tell me your friend.
Ryle Zian Caberles. Ayan. Mega shout out to you. Ayan, nagba ng bahay sa Bohol kasi probinsyanong Sano Vlog, baka dikitan nyo na guys. With my GF.
Ayaw ko i-akit! Gagi!
Nanilhig. Hello sa 3 million viewers dyan. Nanilhig di ay kabuutan no, nanilhig to. Nanilhig te. Yan, mega shoutout sa lahat ng nandyan. Don't forget to tell sana all butan. Ay, ano be?
Hoy, ayaw na! Ginapay ako! Ano, gagamot-gamot ha?
Tigot. Mga si Kati. Hmm. Yan, Kati, you're so beautiful daw. Sana all. Kadi ka gwapa. Wow.
Ano, beautiful.
Kantil. Shout out to Kati. Yan, thank you, thank you. Tapos Ate Rachel na.
Ha?
Di, dari. A very lag ta din na pita lagi sponsor. Sana ula pa ganing. Was pa oy, was pa Kati. Was pa sponsor. Thank you, ha ha ha, at Ate Rachel. Yan. Guwapa, mo no? Mega shout out sa tanang TCC student diha. Ito yung password niya? Ah. Ang wifi pang eskwela, dili pang vlog. Hoy, wakoy wifi no. Traidor. Gusto ka traidor. Traidor kang katiha ka. Wa pa nakuha gaw ano. Magpaload ra mo kay iTeach Philippine Dan Tamsak host. Thank you very much naman. Pa-shout out kay Jasmine Claire. Ayan, mega shout out to Jasmine Claire Galo de la Piña. Ayan. Watching here from Valenzuela City. Ayan sabi ni Jermel Galo. Naalagi Ako sa bungtod karon I teach Filipino ako sa kuan lugar sa kong uyab. Uwa. Naaram ko ora palandong. Igang sa sod. Watching here from Valenzuela City. Ayan. Miga shoutout sa tanan taga Valenzuela City diha. Sana all ay uyab. Kumingjo na kano. Yan guys, baka naman dikita niyo yun si ano. Sa Heritage Philippines. Kab waman ko'y uyab. Why uyab pero minjo na. Kabalo ba siya host nga uyab mo? Lisa Pugi. Kaya sana all na uyab. Sana all minjo. Yan. Parang kalay talaga to sa mega love shout out sa 4 millionest viewers dyan. Pa-shout out ako sa mama ko na mama mo rin yata. I love you, ma. Ingat kayo lagi. Yan. Mega shout out to Mama Doors Dira sa Carmen. Ayan. Amping-amping daw. Sabi ni Jun Bayos Bay. Hello, hello. Mega shout out sa lahat. Sa kung orasan nag-start. Asa naman pa ni? Hila. Ilara ko nang paasa.
Been lately focused on the things that didn't make no sense.
Ha? Why? Hila sara.
Yeah, I got used to doing everything so
Man. Buka mo kay Fisher. Gama sulupin ka mo.
my emotions down a bit for run. But what is lost ain't gone. No, you can't
Pagbugha diha
just
oy,
let go.
magkawas pa ka
'Cause
og
it's a
tubig.
part of you that will make
Nagkagkahoy sila re.
sure.
Hose po ng tubig.
I'm not gonna fight back what I become. Yeah, I got bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I've been going way too hard on myself,
Mega shout out sa
'cause
3
that is
million
the reason
viewers
I've been
dyan.
feeling
Don't forget to
like
turn
hell.
sexy
But I
host.
wouldn't change if I had a full scar. The road that only got me nowhere. I've seen every corner, every inch of this place. Being all alone, it really got me
Naglaag
thinking.
ram
Maybe
guware.
overthinking that what is lost ain't gone. No, you can't just let go, 'cause it's a part of you that
Ayaw ta.
embrace your flaws. Yeah, I got bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't going
Og
way
dili
too hard
magbugha.
on
Aw patay
myself,
patay ta na
'cause
lang.
that is the reason I've been feeling like hell. But I
Ayan.
wouldn't
Mega
change
shout
if
out sa
I
3
could
milliones viewers
restart.
dyan.
I
Pakilala
ain't
naman
gonna
kayo.
hide these beautiful scars. Hide these-
Ayan. Mi Doy Doy 17. Mega shout out po Arnel. Sa pagdating.
I'll be happy somewhere,
Sa itaga mo ba sa bato?
even if I can't. I know you don't really see my worth. You think you're the last. I know I'm not that strong, but it won't take long. Won't take long. 'Cause someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to be. Someday someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you. Someday, someday. Right now, I know you can tell. I'm down and I'm not doing well. But one day these tears, they will all run dry. I won't have to cry, sweet goodbye. 'Cause someday, someone's gonna take your place. I won't even miss you someday. I know someone's gonna